Amidst the hustle and bustle of university campus life, a professor tends to a plant in her office, unaware of the remarkable transformation the seed will unfurl. This is the story of Dr. Anu, a devoted faculty member at the University of Sharjah College of Medicine, who discovered an extraordinary method to inspire her students beyond the realms of traditional education. Dr. Anu Ranade, a highly esteemed figure in the field of medicine, possesses a fervent passion not only for her area of expertise, but for equipping her students with the necessary tools to confront the future. When an opportunity arose for her to transcend the confines of the classroom and cultivate a profound connection between her students and the world that surrounds them, she seized it, and with unwavering determination.
Medicine encompasses not just the health and the well-being of the individual, but also the health and the vitality of the environment. I encourage my students to adopt a most holistic approach to healthcare that considers both the person and the surroundings.
Dr. Anu hails from the beautiful city of Mangalore in southern India, renowned for its lush greenery, meandering rivers, and majestic mountains. When she moved to the United Arab Emirates in 2009 to join her husband, she brought this love for nature and all its bounties with her.
My story started in a modest apartment in Ajman, where I rekindled my passion for gardening. I maximized my creative techniques like upcycling containers and using milk cans as vertical planters. I carefully selected resilient plants and even resorted to hand pollinating few.
Nestled on the 21st floor of their apartment building, they made great use of the extra space their terrace offered. They repurposed discarded wooden planks, car tires, refrigerator racks, and even milk cans into raised beds and planters. Their terrace garden blossomed into a thriving oasis, nurturing over 50 different types of fruits and vegetables, some of which were rare even in UAE grocery stores.
I have long wished for a way to seemingly integrate the principles of sustainable and organic farming into the realm of healthcare, and when University of Sharjah entrusted me with leading the Linking Education and Farming Sustainable Circle, I founded our sustainable farm.
The LEAF project, like all initiatives, was not an easy feat in the beginning. From tackling manpower shortages and repairing irrigation systems to ensuring access to clean drinking water and proper washroom facilities, the hurdles seemed never-ending. Undeterred, Dr. Anu, her family and friends persevered relentlessly, often working late into the night, determined to overcome these obstacles. In the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, when the entire world was grappling with lockdown measures, a team of passionate medical students joined LEAF. They brought boundless enthusiasm and young spirit to the project. In addition to their farming responsibilities, these students embraced various sustainable practices, leaving no stone unturned in their quest for a greener future. One such initiative was the collection of plastic bottles and pieces of cardboard. Not content with simply disposing of them, the students meticulously gathered water bottles from dormitories and various other locations. diligently depositing them in designated recycling bins. But their dedication didn't stop there. They also collected the excess water from these bottles, ensuring not a drop went to waste. This water was then used to nourish the plants in the garden before the empty bottles were handed over to Degrade, a plastic recycling company. As the LEAF project expanded, a dedicated helper was assigned in July 2020, and a year later, LEAF was provided with 2 more. Their assistance has been invaluable in managing the day-to-day operations of the farm.
Composting plays a crucial role in sustainable farming. Back in November 2019, I installed a deep freezer specifically for College of Medicine staff and students to deposit the kitchen waste from their homes. This marked the beginning of a composting journey. We then prepared compost using compost bins, placing on the terrace of the College of Medicine.
Registering UOS at makesoil.org, she hoped to encourage the local community to bring in their food waste to an allocated site. Since 2019, the team at LEAF has successfully converted a staggering 16 tons of biodegradable waste into over 9 tons of nutrient-rich compost, redirecting it towards sustainable farming practices. Her unwavering commitment to organic farming under Phase 1 of the LEAF project paid off when the produce harvested earned organic certification from the Emirates Authority for Standardization and Metrology. This certification serves as validation of the team's tireless dedication to providing the community with healthy and sustainable food options. Today, these organic products are readily available at the Sharjah Co-op, making them accessible to a wider audience. LEAF extends gratitude to engineer Bushra for her invaluable support throughout this process. Furthermore, Dr. Anu's exceptional efforts have established UOS as the sole educational institution in the region cultivating crops such as basmati rice, wheat, cotton, and an array of other crops. After successfully completing Phase 1 of the LEAF project, the team embarked on the second phase, Mixed Crop Lifestyle Integrated System. This phase aimed to recycle materials within the system, utilizing agricultural waste as feed for rabbits and poultry. By integrating livestock and crop production, this not only reduced fodder costs, but also obtained valuable manure for nourishing the plants. This integration of crop and livestock brought about increased sustainability, minimizing the need for external import. The team has exciting plans in store for the future, where they plan to execute Phase 3, Fodder to Fuel. This project will amalgamate mixed crop lifestyle biorefinery systems addressing crucial challenges in agriculture production, food waste, and bioenergy. Through ingenious processes, such as utilizing rejected vegetables and fruits as livestock feed, they aspire to increase food security, enhance soil quality, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and promote the consumption of organic produce. Dr. Amna, a psychologist at the university, describes the fish pond created by LEAF as a therapeutic oasis for students. This serene environment serves as a haven for unwinding, de-stressing, and connecting with nature, ultimately enhancing the overall well-being of the students.
Burnout is common among medical students. We have created a small fish pond at our college and measured its impact on students' well-being. About 97% report that it makes them calmer and at peace. This is corroborated by research evidence that exposure to nature like plants, green space, particularly gardening, is beneficial to mental health and well-being.
Collaboration has been at the heart of LEAF's success thus far. LEAF has partnered with various organizations such as the Green Spoon community, who provide food waste after events, Bet Shai Merdif branch, who supply approximately 20 kilograms of used tea leaves daily, and Degrade, a recycling company that transforms plastic into fabric. LEAF is in the process of collaborating with NAMA Women Advancement to empower women via workshops and awareness programs on food security through kitchen gardening. Today, in the UAE, there is only one educational institution that stands out for its unwavering commitment to sustainable farming. UOS has taken on the noble mission of ensuring food security, enhancing soil quality, curbing greenhouse gas emissions, and promoting the consumption of organic produce. From vibrant vegetables to bountiful rice fields, our farm has it all. Thank you for embarking on this documentary journey with Leaf. We sincerely hope it has stirred a desire within you to take action. Will you consider becoming part of the movement and supporting this project by donating your food waste through makesoil.org? Together, we possess the power to make a positive impact on the environment and pave the way towards a sustainable future. Take the step, plant the seed.